What does the perfect Montana getaway look like? Let us show you. When opening the door into 1,500 square feet of pure luxury, you'll be glad you didn't book a hotel. This property is more than enough to accommodate your stay and perfect for working professionals looking to escape. Oh, and hospitality is our thing. Enough about where you're staying. Let's see where you're going. Take a hike. Go chasing waterfalls. Take a breath of fresh mountain air. And you can't forget about the magnificent lakes and rivers. With downtown Bozeman only minutes away, you can explore hidden treasures and indulge in fine dining. Enjoy a romantic getaway, or host friends and make it a party. Our downstairs open floor plan makes cooking and dining a breeze. So let the cards fly. Have some fun.
Who's that? Me!
Oh, yeah!
Yes!
Sit back and relax. Before you know it, it'll be time to leave. And you'll be dreaming to come back. Little Cottages by VRBOZEMAN. A beautiful way to extended stay. Book now at www.vrbozeman.com.